Hi guys, welcome to Hannah's Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn about nouns. So let's begin. In the previous class, we have learned about the different categorization of parts of speech. Parts of speech are type of words in grammar. Let's recall 8 parts of speech quickly. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Now let's look at noun. What is noun? A noun is a word, names a thing, an idea, a place, or a person. Let's repeat. Noun is a word that names a thing, an idea, a place, or person. Now let's look at examples. Example for things: crayons, place Burj Khalifa, person Jawaharlal Nehru. Example for an idea: wisdom. So let's repeat. Crayons, Burj Khalifa, Jawaharlal Nehru, and wisdom are examples for nouns. Now let's look at the classification of noun. Nouns are classified into 4 categories. They are proper nouns and common nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, collective nouns, concrete nouns, and abstract nouns. So, proper nouns and common nouns and collective nouns. We look these 2 topics in this class. What is difference between proper noun and common noun? Proper noun, it is used to name a particular place, thing, or person. But on the other hand, common noun, that is used to name that we give in general to all person, place, or thing. Now look at examples for a better understanding. Books. Example for common nouns. Rhyme-tree English. Example for proper nouns. Books that we use to denote all the books in common, but rhyme-tree English used to denote that particular book. Now let us look at more examples. Chocolate, car, and singer. These are all examples of common noun. And now look at examples for proper noun. Dairy milk, Porsche, Shreya Ghoshal. In first case, chocolate, car, singer, these all represents things in general. But in second case, dairy milk, Porsche, Shreya Ghoshal, these represents particular brand or person. I think it's clear. Now, let's look at some more examples. Here I am writing all proper nouns in red color and all the common nouns in blue color. Rahul has a red shoes. New Delhi is capital of India. Lion is the king of forest. Here Rahul, New Delhi, and India are examples for proper noun. Shoes, lion, king, and forest are examples for common noun. Now let's look at collective noun. Collective noun means a group or collection of same kind of place, person, and things. Let's repeat. It means a group or collection of same kind of things, place, or person. Now look at examples. Bunch of flowers, basket of fruits, a flock of birds, a class of students. Let's repeat. Bunch of flowers, basket of fruits, a flock of birds, a class of students. Now what we learned in this video? What is noun? Then classification of nouns, proper noun and common noun, collective noun. Other 2 categorization we will learn in next video. I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.